Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring an essential part of English that helps us show relationships between words, prepositions. Since we're focusing on the C1 level, we'll look at how advanced uses of prepositions can make your language clearer, more precise, and expressive. So, what exactly is a preposition? A preposition is a word that links nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words in a sentence, usually indicating relationships of time, place, direction, or reason. Common prepositions include in, on, at, with, between, about, and during. They help create context and clarity, giving details about where, when, how, or why something happens. Let's explore some examples. She arrived before dinner, where before gives us information about time. Or, the book is on the table, with on showing place. At the C1 level, you'll start using more complex prepositions and prepositional phrases that add nuance, like in addition to, in spite of, and according to. For example, they succeeded in spite of the difficulties shows a contrast, and he's working on behalf of the committee indicates representation. These prepositions allow you to communicate with subtlety and depth. In daily life, prepositions are essential for expressing details accurately. Imagine you're giving directions. You might say, "The cafe is across from the library," or "Meet me at 3 p.m." Or, in a professional setting, you might say, "The project was delayed due to unforeseen circumstances." Using the right prepositions helps make your speech more organized and your meaning more specific. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to practice using prepositions intentionally, noticing how they clarify and connect ideas in your sentences. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review if you're enjoying these episodes. Your support helps others find the show, and we're always grateful for your feedback. Thanks for joining me today to learn about prepositions at the C1 level. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.